All right. This is my first time winter kayak fishing. It's not really winter because it's 63 degrees or so, but the water's still cold. So I'm gonna have to still be careful, pay attention. Got some extra clothes in the car just in case I get wet or something, but hopefully none of that will happen today. But in all my trying to learn bass fishing, I've been told that you can catch some big fish in the winter if you can just find the right spot. So this is the creek or river that I want to fish once every season this year. If you saw my 2026 goals video, you can see the rest of those goals. So this is going to count as my winter, and it should be, this section of it should be a spot that's a good winter hole. It's deep, it's calm, it's supposed to be largemouth and smallmouth in here. If I can't find any of those, then I also have some like panfish lures. I might be able to find some crappie. There's supposed to be some crappie in here. So enough talking, let's get to fishing and we'll see what we can do. I lost him. Well, got a bite. That's progress. Never felt the bite, I just felt the weight. How it is, I guess. This is a largemouth, probably 13 inches. Nothing crazy. Had my drag too loose and didn't set the hook well enough. See if there's another one in there. There we go. Alright, first winter bass is tiny, but I'll take it. Okay, my back camera died, but look at this crappie, dude. This thing is huge. This thing is a stud. This thing is 11 and a half. Little over, he's a little over 11 and a half. Still flipping around. Trying to suck. Oh, well. And he's gone. I was thinking about maybe keeping him. I don't have a stringer or anything, but it's a pretty good crappie. That's a nice lunch right there. I like it. All right, let me see if I can figure out a way to change my back camera now that it's dead, and maybe catch a couple more of those crappie. All right, I think that's gonna about do it for me. This wind is killing me. It's like 30-40 mile an hour gusts, and on a kayak, especially a paddleboard, inflatable paddleboard like this, it is not fun to fight. And when you're winter fishing, what I know about it is you have to fish slow, and that's hard to do when the wind is blowing you around everywhere. So plus I'm still only 2.5 weeks out from surgery as well, so I don't want to overdo it too much. So I'm gonna head back to the ramp and call it a day.